Rawat for Training and Development would like to welcome you to this short video. During the video, we will be presenting the delivery methodology of the virtual instructor-led training, the VILT. This type of training method will be focusing on how to effectively deliver the training using e-learning tools, using some virtual tools that are available in the market and are widely used by many organizations. This particular process consists of 4 specific steps. The first step is to discuss with the client and agree to the program name, the duration of the program, how many hours, how many days the program will take, and the competencies that are related to the program. This may include the leadership behavioral competencies, the core competencies, the technical or specialized competencies as well. Also, the level of competence of participants will be discussed and agreed upon as it is needed to develop the training material and selecting the right tools to deliver the training effectively and efficiently. The agenda of the program, the preferred tools that are suitable for the client, and the participants' names also will be identified through the first step, which is the planning and agreement between Rawat and the client. The second step is preparing the material itself. During this step, we will be preparing the packet of the material. We will be preparing the presentations that are suitable for to be viewed on a computer screen or using handheld like an iPad, or even using an iPhone or an Android-based phone. During this second step, which is the preparation of the material, also in addition to the presentation, we will be preparing the participants guide, the case studies, the exercises, the selected videos that are needed, as well as the interactive tools. Then we will move to the third step. The third step is the VILT execution. During the execution phase, we will be focusing on how to deliver an effective and an efficient training course. It will, the course itself will be divided into sessions, and each session, the duration should not be more than 45 minutes to 1 hour. And during the session itself, we will be using the virtual rooms, the chat feature where the participants interact with the instructor, as well as using the polling tools where we identify the current level of engagement or the current level of retention of skills or knowledge. Also, some interactive tools will be used to stimulate the discussions, to identify lessons learned from the videos, to listen to participants' ideas and suggestions as well. This will create a highly interactive and engaging environment that is absolutely necessary to make sure that the training is successful. During the last step, which is the assessment, we will be distributing the post-assessment questionnaire. Of course, during before the beginning of the session, we will be distributing the pre-course assessment questionnaire, and also we will be using some assessment tools throughout the program, and we will be making sure that each participant will have their own individual development plan that is needed for the participant to follow up with his or her manager in the future, as well as measuring or assessing the level of skills that are applied at work, and the participants benefited from the program itself. This will also be in connection with the employees' performance appraisal, as well as their career path, as well as their succession planning within the organization itself. The tools, that are used, again, it depends on the need of the organization. The most popular tools nowadays that are used for the VILT delivery are Zoom and Cisco WebEx and Adobe Connect, Microsoft Teams, Blackboard. Sometimes YouTube or WhatsApp and emails are used to deliver the training or to communicate with participants. Regardless of the tool that is used, we will make sure that all the material, all the presentations, and all the interactions are effective and efficient, and mainly focus on achieving the organization objectives, as well as the personal objectives of the participants, to make sure that the training itself is really beneficial for them. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please contact us. You may reach us through email or through the phone number that is available on the screen. Thank you so much.